Srinivasrao, Department of Mechanical Engineering, DBS Institute of Technology, KAVALI. The presenting subject is design thinking. Design thinking. Unit number 1. We are going to discuss about unit number 1. Science to engineering. How can utilize this science in engineering? Okay. Science to engineering, unit number 1. Next is an engineer. An engineer uses science, technology, and maths to solve. Engineer is nothing but a troubleshooter. He can solve any problem by using science and technology. You can see engineering everywhere in the world around us. The ways that communicate, they can time. It's the field of engineering career choice and in now it is always available or it was we are going to is actually engineering motion is nothing placement by using force, energy and engineer seeks to control these events by and economic solutions. To go to aerospace engineering of the production of air craft. This engineering plane is often divided between those who pursue a real right, those who work this craft. Okay. Agricultural engineering. Seeing now types of engineering and activities there. Job. Okay. Agricultural engineering, biological engineering, subjects from land farming industry. Next, automotive engineering. Engineering is the most exciting and challenging budding careers. Biomedical engineers work a combination of biology, medicine, science. Biomedical engineering has 3 disciplines: medicine, chemical engineer utilize their knowledge of the physical world, manipulate the interactions of the civil engineer. Next, civil engineer specialize in road, building, bridges, supplies, design and construction. Engineer and in the software programs and hardware. adapting and thinking career allows the engineer to be in design from conception to presentation, visual plans. Next, go to the electrical engineer. Without anything, electrical engineers specialize in supply, with generation, design, develop, test, supervise electrical equipment manufacturing. Environment engineer, science and to protect and the environment, the quality of air, water, soil, their primary. Geological engineers. Geological engineering is geology, civil engineering, fields, yes, my forestry, geography. Next, marine engineer. Marine engineers are design and construction of sea-going vessels, structures, primer on their petroleum engineer. Petroleum engineers specialize in digging the surface to extract oil and gas. Engineering units and measurements. Okay, units are very, very important to measure anyone. There are three primary unit systems in use today. The International System of Units, SI units, simply we call them SI units. The English Engineering System of Units, commonly called English units. The British Gravitational System of Units, BZ. Next, dimensions. Primary dimensions, symbol, SI unit, VG, and quantity. Okay, mass is one of the quantity, physical quantity. How to measure? Sometimes symbol M, mass, M. The units kg, VG units slug, and English units pound. Okay, mass. Okay, length. Okay, linear dimension. It is L. Okay, units meters, foot, VG units, and same foot for English units also. Time, T. We quote this one as T. Seconds, same seconds, unit second. Units also. Temperature, T. Sometimes it also is Kelvin, degree, Rankine or Rankine. Electric current, I. Ampere, the units ampere. All three system of units using only ampere. Amount of light, intensity, luminous intensity, C. We code it as C. Candela, the units candela for all three units or units, same. Next, go to the force and motion. Without force, there is no motion at all. Force and motion are one of the most important things in our lives. Force and motion make things move and stay still. A force can cause an object with the mass to change its velocity to accelerate. It changes the velocity and to accelerate it. Force can also be described intuitively as a push or pull. Okay, force is nothing but a push or pull. That's all. Force. We can say that force is a push or pull. Acting on, it's a definition for force is, we can say that force is a push or pull. Acting on your body. This occurs when two entities are in contact. Two entities, two items should be in contact. Then only force application is possible. Now I'm talking about mechanical force, not different types of forces may be there, but we are talking about here only mechanical force. According to the universal law of gravitation, every object on the universe exerts a force on others. The force acting on an object is given by the following parameters. Okay, SI units of force, Newton or kg meter per second square. Symbol of force is F. Type of quantity, vector. It's a vector quantity. It is having both magnitude and direction. Formula F is equal to ma, where m is the mass and a is the acceleration due to gravity. Force can cause a body to accelerate. When force is applied to a body in resting condition, no, once you apply the load, it starts to move. Okay, provided that there is no greater force opposing it. Okay, when you throw the ball towards the batsman while playing cricket, force can cause a body to decelerate. Okay. On the other side of the spectrum, if force is applied on the opposite side direction of the moving object, it will decelerate or slow down the eventually stop. Okay. Force can cause a body to change directions. Okay. When force is applied on an object in an angle different to its direction of motion, it causes the object to change the motion. Before we discuss about the force, but we are talking about the motion. In simple words, whenever a body is moving, we say it is in motion. Example, if a boy is walking down the street from his school is to his home, we will say that the boy is in motion. There are different types of motions. Translatory, straight line. Translatory is nothing but straight line motion. Straight line motion in the straight line. Straight path. Okay. Rotational, rotary motion. Periodic. Periodically we are moving. Bells. Okay. Non-periodic motions. Okay. Next. Translational motion. It is a motion by which a body shifts from one point to space to another. Okay. Example of translational motion is the motion of a bullet fired from a gun. Rotational motion. It occurs if every particle in the body moves in a circle about its single line. This line is called the axis of the rotation. Periodic motion, a motion which gets repeated after regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Non-periodic motion, the motion which does not repeat itself after regular interval of the time is called non-periodic motion. Force and energy. Force is the push or pull applied on an object. It can move stationary object or stop a moving object. The ability or capacity to do work is called energy. It is denoted by E. E is equal to F d cos theta, in which the verse states that the energy needed is equal to the product of the applied force and displacement along the direction of the force. The units of this energy is joules, okay, in SI units, okay, Newton meter, like that. Energy is directly proportional to the applied force, which means that the energy is doubled, then the force will also be doubled. Energy in physics, the capacity for doing work is that nothing but capacity to do work. If any person having the energy, then only can do anything, okay? It may exist in potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, chemical, nuclear, or other various forms. Potential energy, it is energy. It is energy an object has because of its position relative to some other object. Formula is P is equal to mgh. Okay, this value depends upon weight and height also. Where m is equal to mass in kilograms, the acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meters per second square. The surface of Earth, h, height in meters. स्टॉप चल रहा
रिकॉर्डिंग 3 डॉट पे स्टॉप रिकॉर्ड